May and might. The magic of modal verbs for permission. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of modal verbs, focusing on may and might, the superheroes of English permission. These two little words carry a lot of power when it comes to seeking and granting permission in English. So buckle up, and let's explore how you can use them effectively. May and might are modal verbs used to express permission. They help us to ask, grant, or deny permission in a polite manner. May I use your phone? You might want to ask your parents before you borrow the car. These sentences illustrate how these two modal verbs are commonly used in English. Note that may is generally more formal and slightly stronger than might. Let's first focus on may. It's mostly used to ask for permission, or to give or deny it. For example, may I come in? You may not touch the exhibits. When using may to give permission, it generally carries an air of formality. Might, on the other hand, is a softer and less certain way to ask for, give, or deny permission. It's often used when the permission is not ours to grant, or when we want to imply a gentle suggestion rather than an authoritative permission. For instance, you might want to ask the teacher if you can leave early. He might not let you take his car. Now let's put this knowledge into practice. I'll give you some sentences, and you'll decide whether to use may or might. 1. I borrow your pen? Here, we can use may to formally ask for permission. 2. You want to take an umbrella. It looks like it's going to rain. Here, might would be appropriate, suggesting a gentle recommendation. 3. I leave the class early today? Again, may would be fitting for a formal request for permission. 4. You not enter the construction site. It's dangerous. Here, may indicates a formal prohibition. Remember to use may for formal permissions and prohibitions, and might for gentler or less certain suggestions. Well, that's all for today's lesson on the modal verbs, may and might. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of these two essential tools for expressing permission in English. Keep practicing, and soon, asking for and granting permission will be a breeze for you. See you in the next lesson.